I. What is the value of x given that x belongs to a set of positive integers where we have 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 35? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here we have 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 35. Then let us note that when we have 3 over 3, this will give us 1. So from here, let's have this 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x in parentheses as 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x in parentheses. Then they are still equal 35. Then when we have 1 here, nothing will happen to it again. So from here, let us now substitute the value of 1 that equals 3 over 3. So from here, guys, we have 3 to the power of x into 3 over 3 plus 2 to the power of x in parentheses to the power of 3 over 3 equals 35. Then when we have a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of m over m, we can have this as a to the power of n over m in parentheses to the power of m. So we are going to have this as 3 to the power of x over 3 in parentheses to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of x over 3 in parentheses to the power of 3 equals 35. Then if we let a to be equals 3 to the power of x over 3 and b equals 2 to the power of x over 3. So from here we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equals 35. And this is sum of two cube. This will be equals a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square equals 35. So from here, one thing is clear, that a plus b must less than a square minus ab plus b square. We must know this. Then again, we can have 35 as the product of 1 times 35, then 35 times 1. Also, we can have 5 times 7, or you have 7 times 5. Now, with this condition, we will discover that this side must less than this side. So we are not going to allow this. We are going to allow this. So we are going to cancel this one because this side is greater than this side. Now again, we are going to allow this, then we are not going to allow this. So now let's say case 1. Where we have a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square equals 1 times 35. So this implies a plus b equals 1. Then a square minus ab plus b square equals 35. That's 2. So from here, from question 1, let's try to make a as the subject of formula. So we are going to have, so from question 1, we can have b to be equals 1 minus a. We have this as equation 3. Then let's substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So we are going to have a squared minus a into 1 minus a plus 1 minus a squared equals 35. So from here we have a squared. This times this will be minus a. This will be plus a squared. Then this will be 1. Then minus 2a. So plus 2a. Then we have here to be plus a squared. So this will be equals 35. So from here we have a squared plus a squared will give us 2a squared. Then minus a. Then from here we have plus 1 minus 2a plus a squared equals 35. So from this, a squared plus 2a squared plus a squared, we have 3a squared. Then we have minus a minus 2a. We have minus 3a plus 1 equals 35. Then we have 3a squared minus 3a equals 35 minus 1. Then this will be 3a squared minus 3a equals 34. So from here, we have 3a squared minus 3a minus 34 equals 0. Then we can have a as this here will be 3 positive or negative. Square root of this will be 9. Then this will be 4 times a, that's 12, times minus 34 over 2 times a, which is 6. So from here we have a 3 positive or negative root of. So here will be 408 plus 9 over 6. So this will be 3 positive or negative square root of 417 over 6. So we don't want this type of solution for the value of a. So now let's consider the case 2. Case 2, we are going to have 5 times 7. And this will be a plus b equals 5. Then a squared minus ab plus b squared equals 7. 2. So from here we have we have b as 5 minus a, 3. Then when we put this one here, we're going to have a squared minus into 5 minus a into 5 minus a whole square is equal to 7. We have this as a squared minus 5a plus a squared. This will be 25 minus this will be 10a plus a squared equals 7. This, and this with 3a squared. Then we have minus 5a, this will be minus 15a. Then this will be 7 minus 25. So we have 3a squared minus 15a equals, we have 25 minus 7. This will give us 18. Then from here, we have minus 18. Let's factor 3. Here will be a squared. Then 5a equals minus 18. Dividing 2 by 3. This will cancel out. We have a squared minus 5a equals 6. So here will be minus 6. So from here, we can have a squared minus 5a plus 6 equals 0. Then, when we solve this, we have a to be equals 3, a. Then, we also have another a to be equals 2. So now, let us now recall that we have b to be 5 minus a, so b will be equals 5 minus a. When a equals 3, this will be 2, then a will be equals 3. Then b will be equals 3 when a equals 2. Then let us now go and get the positive value of x from here, from this side. A equals 3, b equals 2. When a equals 2, b equals 3. So from here, for the first one, we have a to be equals 3 to the power of x over 3. So when we pick 3, here will be 3 to the power of 1 equals 3 to the power of x over 3. Then this will be 1 equals x over 3. So x will be equals 3. Now, from here too, when we also have b to be equals 2, so we are going to have 2 to the power of 1 equals 2 to the power of x over 3. So we have 1 equals x over 3. Then x also equals 3. Meaning that these two equations are satisfied. So, if we are to consider the second one, there's no solution in this. So therefore, s equals 3 is the answer.